What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got some Iberico pork ribs on the egg right now, and we have this bad boy seasoned up real nice with Lane's barbecue, homemade apple pie. Highly recommended. Check the link in my bio. Grab yourself some of this. It's amazing on pork. It's amazing on chicken. You can even use it in a dessert. I promise you, you will not be upset if you get this. You will fall in love like I did. The smell is out of this world, and the taste is, I guess, even further out of this world. I don't know. On another world? Otherworldly. We're going to go with that. Get it. Get yourself some Iberico pork as well. Mix them together and have yourself an otherworldly experience. Promise you. What is up, everybody? All right, we've got ourselves our Campo Grande Iberico 4 rib rack. Super pumped. About 2 pounds. Look at that marbling. It's beautiful. I'm going to take it out. We're going to season it. And we're going to get smoking. Stay tuned. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit it with a little yellow mustard from French's. Right along the back. After we got that good and rubbed in, we are going to use some Lane's apple pie. All right, sprinkle, sprinkle. Yes. Ooh, it smells so good. The only thing better than the smell is the taste. All right, we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes. We're gonna hit the other side, and we're gonna get smoking. All right, so we've hit 140 internal. Wow. It's like butter. 140 internal. We're gonna pull this off. And we're gonna let it rest. Beautiful. All right, so when we wrapped it, tossed a little butter in, some Lane's kind of sweet on the bottom, and then we wrapped it. Oh my gosh. I just went to move it and it just shot at me. Oh yeah, this thing is, this is insane. All right, I'm going to cut it and we are going to plate it. All right, so I cut the ribs off. Got the ribs, and then I took the chop part, or the loin, I guess, and I sliced that up. Just take a look at this. Whoop. I mean, it's just pulls apart so easily. It's super, super moist, super juicy, and so tasty.